Just thinking about building a bit of a support box for this buggy front steering area, right? At the moment I'm just kind of thinking something like this. I don't really have any plan for this thing. This is just kind of my fun time at the moment, mucking around with something that I don't have to take seriously. A few people have asked me if I've done proper, working out the geometry and everything like that. You've got your caster camber toe, but you've also got things, KPI and instance centers and scribe radiuses and all kinds of things, right? That you need to think about when you're doing steering geometry. And yeah, basically I just haven't really thought about them too much. At this point, this is just designing for the sake of designing. I certainly haven't looked into what parts I would use for this or anything like that anyway, which is going to determine a lot of things like the geometry that I can actually achieve. But I know if it starts looking good at the end, I can always just come back and, change the design so it does work. It's not that hard. If you end up focusing too much just on what is, for me anyway, the more technical, perhaps more boring stuff, and you just kind of get discouraged and don't want to do it anymore. So that's why I think just doing something for fun is a good thing. It kind of helps you work out other ways of doing the same thing as well. There's always a bunch of ways to achieve the same results. And sometimes there's errors that you need to overcome as well, because you're trying something new. But I think also overcoming errors is one way to get actually very good at whatever it is you're trying to learn, right? I imagine someone who's never come across any errors wouldn't be very good at fixing them. Anyway, I guess my point is don't be afraid of failing. It just kind of teaches you how to get up quicker. I don't know, maybe something like that. There's two ways to mirror things as well. You can do it in a sketch level like this, which is fine. There's probably more to go wrong here, I guess. You can also do it at a feature level. So say once I've done these cuts, you can then mirror the cuts. That's probably more robust. Honestly, I just like doing it at sketch level here so I can kind of get a preview of the whole thing, see if it actually looks any kind of good.